Want to customize Control Center on your iPhone running iOS 26? First, unlock your device and swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open Control Center. If you have multiple panels like Favorites, Now Playing, Home, or Connectivity, swipe left or right to select the one you want to edit. To enter edit mode, press and hold any empty space between icons until they all begin to jiggle. You will see an Add Controls button appear in the top left corner. Tap that button to open the Control Gallery, where you can scroll through native and third-party controls, or use the search bar to find a specific one, such as Translate or Screen Recording. Tap any control to add it to the current panel. Once a control is in place, you can resize it by dragging the handle at its bottom right corner outward or inward. To rearrange controls, press and hold the icon you wish to move and drag it to your desired location. If you want to create a new panel, swipe all the way to the right until you reach the blank panel, then tap Add Controls and populate it with the tools you need most for specific tasks. When you finish customizing, tap Done in the top right corner, or simply tap outside the Control Center area. Your new layout will be saved across all unlocks and is ready to use. If this helped you, please tap like, share your favorite Control Center hack in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.